prize began in 1998. It's been running for 26 years, and we've had 26 winners and 52 runners-up. So we had 3 finalists. The Northwoods project, which was about restoration of the landscape of Scotland, the biodiversity of Scotland. We had something called Washbox, which was a fascinating project. It was about green technology, really, to recover solid and liquid waste from building sites so that it didn't go into the sewers and didn't pollute the environment. And then we had something called the Kham River Restoration Project, which was about turning essentially a gutter that was a sewer into a living river in an Indian city. So the winner was the Kham River Restoration Project. It's about infrastructure, but it's all about changing people's attitudes and behaviours as well. And they achieved a tremendous amount in a very short period of time.
We're elated. It's extraordinary. To be here, to be at St. Andrews is an inspiring campus and town, and to be selected for our project to get the validation that it's gotten through this award is extraordinary, and it's going to push our project forward and our approach, really, this ecological approach and a solutionist kind of approach, a long way forward. So we're really excited and really grateful. We've been asked to make the climate action plan for our district anchored in wetlands. So wetland restoration as a means to combat climate change or to adapt to climate change and build resilience in. And the other thing that we're really going to start off on is to work and create a project plan for the restoration of the Jayakwadi Bird Sanctuary. We're also building in an angle of ecotourism, because there are families there that are dependent on fishing that do need alternate livelihoods. So that's what this prize will help us spearhead and get off the ground.